We have some makeup ideas and recommendations for you on how to enhance your natural beauty and boost your own style. You can achieve this timeless beauty with minimal work and time required. Let's see the first one. Try these 3 lip combos. Soft nude. Strawberry nude. Berry nude. Try this second one. Natural look makeup. Creating a natural makeup look using soft brown shades can give you a warm and subtle appearance. Remember to blend your eyeshadow and other products well to achieve a seamless and natural look. How about this one? Sultry Sparkling Holiday Glam Makeup. To create a sultry sparkling holiday glam makeup look, you'll want to incorporate rich and shimmery shades along with dramatic accents. Remember, the key to a sultry sparkling holiday glam makeup look is to focus on rich, shimmery shades and bold accents while keeping the rest of your face polished and flawless. Feel free to customize the colors and techniques based on your preferences and the products you have available. How about this one? Makeup using blue eyeshadow. Using blue eyeshadow can create a vibrant and eye-catching makeup look. Remember, when working with bold eyeshadow shades like blue, it's important to blend the colors well for a seamless look. Feel free to adjust the intensity and placement of the blue eyeshadow based on your personal style and preferences. Experiment with different blue shades and techniques to create a look that makes your eyes pop. Let's look at this one. The 2000s makeup. The 2000s makeup was characterized by a variety of trends and styles. Remember, the 2000s makeup was versatile and encompassed a range of styles, from natural and dewy to bold and glamorous. Feel free to adapt these steps and incorporate the trends that resonate with your personal style and preferences. What was your favorite style? Leave your comments below, I would love to read them all. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.